Alright, I got some new tires. As you can see, there's a little bit of a width problem here. So basically, I'm going to use my fender stretcher and I'm going to try to stretch that fender. Alright, let's give you an update on this too. I started cutting the fenders and all the clearancing is all good, but as you can see, these are now all welded up, but they're in raw metal. So I've taped up here and I'm just gonna put some paint over the top to prevent it from rusting. Today, hopefully we're doing a quick, easy job. I got some new headlights. I'm gonna put them on. Should just be, what? Some bolts. Put this one in, some bolts. I also got LEDs. This should be hopefully way better than the stock halogens. Headlights on, but it looks like I'm going to have to swap the connector. It's a pain in the ass. I don't really want to do it right now because it's going to rain. Looking good. The headlights came with these that I didn't think I was gonna need, but it looks like the openings, like these slots, are slightly different, so it looks like I'm gonna have to swap them out anyway. That I'm gonna do another time because it's supposed to rain. Sean's here. So that's it for now. I'll show you the wiring. I don't know if that'll be another video or if it'll just like jump cut. But we'll do that later. So, bye. It's the following weekend. I've got my stuff out. I've got my new wires. We're just gonna wire this bad boy back up, put the bolts back in, put it all back together. Make sure that's off. Hey, I guessed right. 1 down, 3 to go. Don't let me forget to heat shrink those. All right, camera stopped at some point, but I got these on. I got them all sealed up, taped up, and that's ready to go back on. I zip tied this guy, and we're just gonna go on to the other side. It's definitely yellow in there, and it's definitely not yellow over here. This is yellow, black, brown. And this is green, black, brown. Well, okay, I'm just gonna substitute green for yellow then, and black, brown is the same. So black to black. Black to black, brown to... brown to... yeah, let's do brown to green. Black to black, brown to green, green to yellow. Why? I can't find a heat gun, so we're gonna improvise. Well, the lights that are on, you can see. Are these ones on? Yeah, that's on. That's on. But no headlights. So I think we're going to pull apart the switch in the dashboard and see if we can figure out why that's not working. So this all looks good. This joint for the ground is good. this joint that pulls all the things together, like, feels good to me. And I checked the light fuse and it's good. So I guess I'm gonna do a little diagnosing. Well, unfortunately, because this isn't a simple fix, I'm gonna leave it to at the least the off season, and I may or may not end up tearing the wiring harness apart, because that's something I want to do anyway. Let me show you why. This is why. Here's my clutch. Here's where my foot goes. Here's a bunch of wires. So I'd like to eliminate as much as this is possible, but that's going to be a much larger project than I'm going to do this afternoon. So for now, I think we're done. The new lights are in, they look great, just the headlights don't work. So we'll fix that soon. And have a nice day.